This is one of the egg recipe that you'll make over and over and over. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. Before we can make our egg, we need to prep our ingredients. I will start by cutting the yellow pepper, the red and the green one, and some onion. You can go ahead and add more veggies if you want, like carrot, like sweet corn, alright? Just do you. But I basically use pepper and onion, alright? Once you are done prepping your ingredients, go ahead and set it aside. In an empty bowl, go ahead and crack some egg. In my own case, I make use of 4 eggs for 2 people. If you have large family, go ahead and increase your ingredients. Go ahead and whisk the egg together, but do not over whisk it, alright? Because at the end, you will still whisk it. Add any spices of your choice. In my own case, I make use of dry basil leaf, curry powder, onion powder and some chili pepper and salt to taste. I just go ahead again, whisk it together until they are well combined. Add your vegetables and add some cheese. Make use of any cheese of your choice. I make use of mozzarella cheese. Once you add all your ingredients, mix it together once again. Here is my baking pan. Make sure you coat your baking pan very well. This thing stick a lot. If you don't coat your baking pan very well, it's going to stick, alright? Transfer it into the preheated oven and allow to bake until it's completely done. I bake on 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes and you guys, it turned out absolutely delicious. I just go ahead and cut it and this is another beautiful way you can enjoy your egg and I hope you guys like the recipe. I serve it with some cucumber and with some hot coffee and you guys, it tastes absolutely delicious. Hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.